Welcome to Our Senses. Today, we look at the journey to finding your authentic self, moving beyond the social masks we often wear. We are glad you are here. This video is designed for absolute beginners, providing a slow and methodical guide through complex but rewarding psychological concepts. Think about this. When you walk into a new situation, how much of your behavior is a careful performance? How often do you feel like you are acting a role rather than simply being yourself? Many of us feel disconnected between who we are inside and who we present to the world. This gap is the core challenge of social identity. By the end of this session, you will understand the forces that shape your social identity. You will gain a clear path to recognizing and embracing your genuine self, leading to more authentic connections and inner peace. We will start by examining how we perceive ourselves through others. Then, we will explore the rules we internalize from society, the burden of perfectionism, and the power of vulnerability, finishing with practical steps for daily authenticity. We all start with an authentic self, but society teaches us to adopt roles. This social mask is a set of behaviors and traits we believe are necessary to be accepted or successful in a given environment. If you are new to topics of self-awareness and psychology, that is perfectly fine. We will build these concepts step by step, ensuring every idea is clear before moving to the next. Our goal is simple: to help you understand the components of your social identity and find the clarity to live as your most genuine self. Now that we have introduced the concept of the mask, let us examine the first force that shapes it: the distorted reflections of the looking glass self. The looking glass self is the idea that our sense of self comes from perceiving how others see us. We imagine their judgment and react to it. These reflections often become distorted or inaccurate. We are not seeing ourselves clearly. We are seeing our interpretation of what others think. This reflection can become far more negative or critical than reality. For instance, joining a new group that values extreme professionalism might lead you to silence your naturally playful personality, fearing they will view you as immature. You adjust your behavior based on what you assume they expect. This leads us directly to our next key idea: the psychological process of domestication, which is about internalizing society's rules. Psychological domestication is the process of internalizing the rules, beliefs, and values of our culture, family, and environment. We adopt these as our own truth to survive and fit in. Think of it like this. When you learn a new computer system, you must accept its default settings. Domestication is like learning a complex software with restrictive default settings that we never question. Vulnerability simply means showing up as you are, without the armor or the mask. It is the willingness to be seen, imperfections and all. True vulnerability is not weakness. It is the most accurate measure of strength. It takes far more courage to be real than to constantly perform a perfect version of yourself. We have explored the barriers. Now we look at the solution: the daily, active practice of authenticity. Authenticity is the moment when your internal values and beliefs align perfectly with your external actions. It is integrity in action. Start small. Set firm, honest boundaries that protect your time and energy. Pay attention to moments when you act out of character. Those are cues that the mask is back on. Remember that authenticity is not a fixed state you achieve and keep. It is a daily choice and a consistent practice of aligning with your true self, one choice at a time. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on finding your authentic self. If this topic resonated with you, please share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We encourage you to like this video and subscribe to Our Senses for more content designed to enhance your understanding of yourself and the world.